Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. With this video today, I want to introduce to you this Bitcoin mining website. What you're actually seeing right now is the home page, and there is also a user dashboard and an admin dashboard where you can control everything that happens on the website. So I will take you through the home page right now. You can see the home page is beautifully designed and it's well detailed. All the contents have been written. I'll take you through the about us page now. So the about us page is loading now. This is the about us page. As you can see, the contents are written on it. You don't have to stress yourself to get content for the website. So right now we will create an account. I'll put in my first name, my full name, then I'll choose a username. I input my email address and I will create a password. I will accept the terms and conditions, then I'll sign up. You can see you have successfully registered. Check your email to verify email address. So we successfully created an account. All I will have to do now is to log in to my account. I'll log into an account. So I'll log into an account now. So this is the dashboard of the website. As you can see right now, I have a wallet commission of $560.645, and there's a referral link here. So this actually means that a referral feature is actually part of this website. You can give your referral link to other users to register with that link, and you will also earn commission from their registration. So when you go to edit profile, this is the page where you can edit all your profile details, like the full name, your Bitcoin address. You can input your Bitcoin address, which can be used when you want to make withdrawal. And here you can see update password. You can update your password here by putting in your old password, your new password, and you confirm that new password. So by the time you go to mine Bitcoin, on the sidebar, you will see the various mining packages that has been registered on the website, which was done by the admin. You can see right now we have different mining packages. So when you choose my Bitcoin now on a particular package, it means that you actually want to select that package. And right now I selected this first one, and for this first one is $15, and it has a $1.4 minimum daily profit for 15 days. So when you check the other packages, you see the difference between each packages. So I'll pick this first one now. It says my Bitcoin. I'll click on my Bitcoin. It's asking me to select a payment mode. I can make payment via my balance, or I can make payment via a fresh deposit. So right now what I'll do is I'll make payment via balance now. And you can see right now, you say click on the deposit button below to pay $15 via balance. So $15 will be deducted from my account balance. So I'll click deposit now. So you see mine at $15 package is activated successfully and is now active. So this mining package now is now what active. You can see right now. You can see it now. So when I go to my mining, this is the mining log of all my active and inactive minings. So you can see this is my mining page. This is the mine which I just created just now. You can see now mine at $15 package, and is what is still what active. So by the time you go to dying liners, and these are the number of persons which are under me. So you can also say that these are the number of persons which I referred into the platform using my own referral link. So I can come here to copy my referral link, and I can give it to somebody else to register. Once that person registers, my downliner here increases, and I will also earn commission from their registration. So by the time you go to deposits, this is where you can make a deposit to fund your account, and payment method is actually Bitcoin. So this is the admin Bitcoin address which is coming from the backend. So I can copy this address to make payments. I'll put in the amount which I want to make payments. I'll put in $1,000 now. You can see after I make payments, and I'll come here to input my transaction ID after I have made payments. So I'll put in a transaction ID now. So this is a fake transaction ID just for this tutorial, and then I'll click on deposits. So you can see your deposit order of 1000 USD has been placed, and it's now waiting for approval. Your transaction ID is this. So this is the transaction ID the platform generated for me, that the admin will use to track my own deposits. And it says your funds will be credited to your balance as soon as we confirm the payment. So as soon as the admin confirms that payment actually went through, my deposit will be approved, and the balance, and the amount which I deposited will be credited to my account. So I'll click OK now. You can see right now it's still pending. This is the deposit log, the deposit history. It's still pending. It shows the amount, it shows the status, and it shows the date which I deposited. So by the time you go to withdrawal now, you can see now this withdrawal method is actually Bitcoin, and this is the Bitcoin wallet which I set in my profile. When I select a withdrawal method now, which is Bitcoin, and put in the amount. So I'll put in the amount of $100 now. You can see now you say wallet is required. So I need to add wallet to my accounts. Okay. So I will carry out the withdrawal again. I'll choose the withdrawal method. I'll put in the amount. Right now I want to withdraw $100. I will click on withdraw. So it's telling me wallet is actually required. So when there's no wallet in your profile, we have to set a wallet before you can actually make withdrawal. So I'll choose my withdrawal method again, put in my amount, then I'll click on withdraw. You can see your withdrawal has been successfully sent. Wait at least 48 hours before any tickets. Thanks for choosing us. So we go to transfer. I can actually transfer funds from my account to another user's account just by putting in the person's username, putting in the amount, and click transfer. So that particular amount which I inserted here will be sent to that user which I specified under the recipient's username. So when I go to history, this contains all history, all deposits history, deposits, fresh deposits, or when I actually make deposits for a particular mining package. So that is it for the admin dashboard. Now let me walk you through. That is it for the user dashboard. Sorry, let me walk you through the admin dashboard now. So to get through to the admin panel, all you have to do is put in your domain name /admin, and this login box will display. So I'll put in my admin email address, put the admin password, and I'll sign in. So we are looking at the admin dashboard now, and it has these statistics written on them already: the total investors, the total amount that has been invested, and the requested withdrawal we have total amount withdrawn and total amount deposited. So let me walk you through the sidebars now. When you go to security, this is where the admin can actually change its password. So this actually entails the security of your admin account. You can change your password here. You can go to settings to carry out the website settings, put in your site name, your site link, which is your domain name, your site name, the email address of your site, so the site title too, and year of your site, you can put it there too. And for this one, you can actually upload a logo to the site. So when you go to admin wallet, this way you set the Bitcoin wallet that the users will pay into. So I can remove this now and type in another wallet. So this is just a demo wallet for this tutorial. I'll click this. You can see details has been successfully updated. And see right now there was a change. So we click on currency. This way you can actually add a currency. So right now I will add Bitcoin, and it's asking me for a cryptocurrency logo. So I will go to Google to search for Bitcoin logo. So I'll pick this. I'll save this now. I'll call it BTC logo. So come here now. I'll select the image I saved and open it. I'll click update. As the details has been successfully updated. So when I go to cryptocurrencies, I'll see the currencies which I actually created. You see them now, and I can still delete them. So when you go to investors management, you can view all investors. This carries the total list of persons that have registered on your site. Look at the list. They have been lined up in the tabular form. You can go from list to list, from page to page. You can see now the number of persons that have registered on this platform. When you go to manage users, you'll be able to do some edits on the users. So right now I can go to this particular user and click edit. I can edit the user details. You can see I'll edit the user details. Edit the user details. You can come to manage users again. When I click delete, I can delete a particular user account, and when the particular user account is deleted, the person can't actually register again to your platform. And when you click on view, it shows the details of a particular user. You can see right now, you can see it shows the full name, the username, the email address, password, and every other details. So when you go to investors investments, so this is actually the money that the users has done. So each of the users, you can see right now. You can see this one is particular is actually active. This is the one I did on the user side just now, and you can see it's active, and I can actually stop this package right now. You can see other packages, other money has actually been completed, and the profit has been added to that particular user's account. You can see it right now. I can actually stop a package, so I will click on this stop package now, and see package is successfully stopped. And when the package is stopped, the status of the package will change to completed. You can see it now. So I'll go to requested transactions. So when you go to withdrawal request, this shows the list of withdrawals that the users have actually placed. So I'll look for the one I placed just now. So look at it. So you can see now with the wallet address. So you can see now I can choose to complete this withdrawal, and I can choose to delete the withdrawal. So right now, since the withdrawal is pending, I want to click on complete. And see transaction approved successfully, and investors what is credited. So for all these actions, the user will actually get a mail. So an approval mail has been sent to the user already that this transaction is what successful. So by the time we go to deposited orders, this includes all the total deposits that users have made. You can see it now. You can see the deposit now, the list of deposits, and you can choose to approve these deposits and also delete the deposits. So you can see the status of the deposit. Some are saying pending, and some are actually approved. The name of the email address of the user is actually displaying, and the plan which they deposited for is actually displayed too, and the amount too. So you can see now, you can see the list of the deposit orders. So when I click on approve now, you see that the user account will be what, when the deposit is approved, the user account will be credited that particular amount. So for fund transfer, it includes the list of fund transfer done by the users too. So you can see right now, this sender, this is the name of the sender of the funds, and this is the receiver, and the amount which was sent displays here too. This is the date which the amount was transferred, and you can also choose to delete this. So when you go to manage packages, you can choose to add packages here. So the cloud speed name, which is the mining name, the hourly percentage increase, the duration, and the fee too. So it can be added. And when you go to view added packages, it includes all the packages that has been added on the platform. You can see, and when you click on the updates, you can update a package. You can change details, and you click update package, and you can see package updated successfully. When you go to send message and mail, you can send mail to a particular user. When you send mail, you add the subject here, the recipient's mail, the person you want to send the mail to, you put in the email address here, and you type in the message here. So that is it. That is how the platform works. So I will take you through the installation steps right now on how you can actually set up this kind of website, either for yourself or for your clients, and charge them a huge amount of money. So right now, without wasting much time, let's start with the installation. And before you can set up this website for a client, you need to have your domain name, you need to have your hosting, and you need to have this application too. You need to get the script. So to get the script, you can contact me through my contact details, which is actually on this video description. Okay, I've logged into my cPanel now, and I'll go to File Manager. Go to my File Manager right now. So you will want to install yours under your public_HTML because you want it to be on your main domain. But for me, on this tutorial, I want to install it inside a folder. So I will create a folder. I'll call it Prime Blog. So I'll create a Prime Blog folder now, and I'll go into that folder. Then I will upload. Click on select file to select the particular script file. I'll click on open. You can see right now it's uploading. Okay, as you can see right now, the script has fully been uploaded. So I'll exit this page now. I will reload this particular page. You can see the script. I will select the file and right click. Then I'll click on extract to extract the files into the directory which I want it to be. So it's extracting right now. Still extracting. The files has been extracted. I will reload it again, and it's reloading again. Then I'll go into the folder, select all files. So I'll select all and move it into the directory which I want it to be, which is the folder which I created. So all the files will move now. So the files have been moved. I'll click up one level to go back to the folder. So the files are loading. The files are loading now. So I will view the link on my browser. Loading now. So as it's loading, so you can see our website is showing on the domain which I just uploaded it to. What we'll do next is so now we'll try to log in now. So I just clicked on login. The login page is still loading. When I try to log in, let's see. So I'll go back to the home page of my cPanel and go to my SQL wizard to create a new database. So I'll create a new database and I'll call it Prime Block DB. I'll click on next step. I'll open my notepad so that I can copy the database which I created now. Paste it here. I'll create a user, call it Prime Block user. Then I will generate a password. Okay, I will select this password and copy it. Still go to my notepad to save the password there. Then I will create a user. After the user has been created, I will copy the username which was created and I will click on all privileges. I will scroll down to click on next step. So you can see now my database has been created. So I'll go back to my file now. I will edit con.php file. You can see now. So the first one is the username. I'll go back and copy my username. The second one is the password. Password and paste it there. Then I'll copy my database name, which is the third one. Then I'll save changes. I'll go back again to my cPanel to search for phpMyAdmin. So now phpMyAdmin is opening right now. We go to the database which I created. I created Prime Block DB. So I just selected the database now and click on import. So you go back to file manager, you see this SQL folder. Go inside the SQL folder and download this database file. You can see download. I'll go back to phpMyAdmin again. I'll select on browse and I'll select the database file which I just downloaded and we'll click on open. Then I'll scroll down and click on import. So it's importing now. So it's importing and that's fully been imported. I'll click on the database to see all database table. So right now I will go to my website. You can see the website is running now. So I want to log into the admin to see if I will be able to log in. So it will be /admin. See. So to get your admin password, go to the database which is phpMyAdmin. Click on this admin. So this is the admin email. Copy it, paste it there. This is the admin password. Paste it here too. So the next thing you do now is go to settings under admin. So you see this now. This is your domain name. So I will paste it here. I'll copy my site link and paste it here. So without the HTTPS, don't add the HTTPS to it. So mine is actually /prime block because I uploaded it inside Prime Block folder. So yours can be just your domain name. So you see this now, I'll remove it and I'll put prime block mine. I'll remove this to input my site email address. So to get a site email address, go to the home page of your cPanel, go to email accounts, you click on create to create an email account. So click on create, you select the domain name. Your can just be one domain name here. You input the username, which can be support. You generate a password. You also save that password, then you want to create. So right now I want to use the one I created before. Also I'll use this. I'll use this now. So you can see how we save it there. So I'll copy this name. You can see welcome to Prime Block Mine. Put in 2023. Then I will update settings. You can see settings updated. So when I reload here now, you can see the details which I updated it to are actually displaying right now. So I'll go back to the home page. So I'll log out from the admin now. I'll go back to my home page. Back to my home page. You can see right now everything is working properly. Everything is working properly. So you can actually delete all these users. To delete all these users, you can go to operation. You can see empty table. So don't click on delete row. So just empty the table, truncate. That's how you delete all the users that has been there. So don't always forget to make your PHP version to be 7.4. So I'll check if my PHP version is 7.4. So either I search for PHP version or you search for PHP multi-PHP manager. So this is domain name. This is the domain name which I'm actually using is is this. So you can see right now I put it to 7.4. Put it, so you select 7.4. That's how the script will work properly. So this is the tutorial on how to design a Bitcoin mining website. And if you need this script, all you have to do is contact me on WhatsApp with my WhatsApp number, which is under this video description. And if you encounter any issue uploading or installing this script, you can also contact me for guide. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.